This little 10-minute sequence is great for the hamstrings, the hips, and the lower back. It's very simple and it's very safe. So you're gonna start with a mat and you're gonna lie all the way down onto your back. Bend the knees, let your knees rest against each other and just start with the hands on the low belly. You can close the eyes, take a few deep breaths through the nose, and when you inhale, feel the belly rise. Exhale, feel the belly fall. So before you do anything else in yoga, you really want to connect with the breath and do your best to keep it through the nose the whole time. Now stretch the arms out wide. You're gonna cross your right ankle over your left thigh. So it's like a figure four. Flex your feet and bring that figure four towards you. And then just do like little pulses. And then do little circles. And your feet are flexed to keep the muscles alive in the legs. Now reach through, catch the back of the thigh, and extend your leg towards the ceiling. You could roll that ankle around in a couple little circles, and then pull the left thigh towards you as you move the right knee away, opening up the right hip. You want to make sure your shoulders and your low back, like your sacrum, stay on the floor. Long, deep breaths through the nose. Okay, now exhale, bend the left knee. With your left hand, catch the right ankle. So you keep that little figure four and you tip the whole thing over to the left. Reach your right arm back alongside the ear. Long, deep breaths through the nose. My left hand is holding my ankle in place. To feel it more, you can bring the ankle closer to the left hip. Now roll that figure four back. You're gonna catch the back of the right leg and extend it towards the sky. So you're a little bit more on the hamstring. Stay here, or option to extend the left leg out. Keep both feet flexed, and I'm pulling my leg in just as much as I'm pushing it away. Breathing deep as the back of the right thigh slowly releases. Okay, now take both arms, reach them behind the head, take a deep breath in, everything straight and strong. Exhale, slowly release. I'm gonna move my left foot a little bit to the left, cross my right ankle on top, and with my left hand, pull on the right wrist for a little side bend. Breathing into the right side body. Good, now come back center. Arms down your sides, bend the knees for the other side. Left ankle crosses, flex those feet, arms go wide, lift that figure four towards you, and see if you can do that little pulse. Just kind of warming up the hip. And then little circle around the sacrum. Reach through the legs with the left hand so you can clasp behind the thigh. Option to straighten that right leg, you can always keep it bent. And then pull it in as you move that left knee away from you. You could rotate the right ankle around. Moving in both directions. And then bend that right knee. Plant the foot, right hand. You might even have to like lift your head and shoulders and then reach your left arm back as you do that little figure 4 twist. Kind of remembering that that deep nose breathing is really the most important part of yoga. That's where we get the real calming of the nervous system. We induce that relaxation response, which puts the body in a state of healing. Roll it back center. Catch the back of the left thigh as you extend it straight. Little flex of the foot. Option to extend the right leg out. And then I'm pulling my leg in just as much as I'm pressing it away. Staying soft enough that it's easy to breathe. Now try to keep the leg straight. Arms go back. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, lower that leg. This time you'll walk the heel over to the right, cross left ankle on top, right hand pulls on that right wrist or left wrist, do a little side bend. Arms go back, full body stretch, point the toes, deep breath in. Exhale, use the core to bring those knees in and do a little sacrum circle to one direction and then the other direction. Roll it forward and back a few times. And you're up. If you have a few minutes, you could always end with a few minutes of Shavasana or final resting when you just lie on your back. And if you want more full-length classes with me and Carolina, come to bootymoves.com and get your first week free.